Hey, hello, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. How are you today? I picked up this Keurig cup. Is that how you say it? You know, the coffee cup? Keurig? I don't know. Anyway, I picked this up at a resale shop for a few bucks. It's in good shape. I cleaned it up, washed it down, and I got an idea as to why I purchased it, but I need to decorate it a little bit. I need to reinforce some things. But I want to make this into a paint holder, paint container holder. See, it swivels. If I put paint in here, I can get 24 of this size paint containers on this. But they will fall through. They don't hold up too good. So I came up with an idea. Down here at the bottom, I use these, I don't know what they're called. They're felt thick, and they go on the bottom of, chairs and pictures, different things. These. God, I have the name of them. I can't think of it right now. But these things here. Stoppers? I don't know. Anyway, these. Put them down here for the ones that are on the bottom so that it doesn't slide under. It stops it. And to put them up here, I need to reinforce this. So I have cut out poster board to go across. And so hopefully that'll keep the paint in. It lays on the edge, but it has a little reinforcement where it won't go through. So what I want to do before I do all that is get started with these, because I don't like the white. I'm going to paint those, and then I'm going to super glue them to that stand. Okay, these are dry, and this should be fairly easy if it goes as planned to complete. So I'm just going to put glue on this and seal it down on this metal, I hope. So the only thing I can do is put it on these bars of metal. Put a little glue here. And a little glue here. Now let's see how that holds. Then I will probably, once I get them all on, I'll probably flip it over and reinforce the glue underneath. So let's get them all on first. I measured inside here to get these dimensions right for this foam board, as close as I could get it. Okay, so I'm just going to do the opposite. So I'm doing these across here. So I'm going to do the next layer this way. Don't know if it makes a difference, but we're going to see. And hopefully these boards will hold the paint inside without it falling through. And this will be easy access for me. Functional. I'm trying to get a lot of functionality into my life. Make things easier. I got to get another glue stick. Turn it the opposite way. Put these two down. Okay, now I think I'm going to turn it upside down and just reinforce this glue, I believe. Let's see. Yep, just put a little more on the bottom, if I can get this up in here. Okay, I just got to get these glue webs cleaned off. Let's set it up and see. Quick and simple. One thing I don't like was working with glue sticks or the glue webs. I guess it wasn't quite dry because I got paint on my hands. But oh well, it will dry. Okay. Good enough. Hopefully this worked like I planned. And then if I had, I don't use these Keurigs, or whatever these are called, these coffee cups for your coffee machine. But it would be nice if I could get someone to give me some. Where did I get these from? My brother Jeffrey. If I could get him to save these for me, then I could just sit these inside the cups. Like that. But otherwise, I'm just going to place the paint containers in each slot. And hopefully they won't slide through. I don't know. We'll see. If not, I'll have to do something else. They definitely won't slide through if I get a collection of these cups. That would have made the whole job a little easier. Okay, I need 2 more containers of paint for this side. But for the most part, I think this will work. Because it's actually, see if I put it in the wrong way, it'll slide through, but it's resting right here on the bar, but it won't go all the way through, I'm guessing. But let me get a collection of these cups and I'll be good. So, see the functionality of this? It's easily ready. Pick what color I need and want. Lazy Susie paint container. Paint, Lazy Susie paint swing, paint, I don't know what you want to call it. Some contraption. DIY upcycle. Thumbs up, please. I would appreciate it. I'm done. I am done. And if I get these cups, that's just what I'm going to do. Thank you so much. Tell me what you think. Put some more paint right here. I'm actually going to choose the colors that I use the most. I just have these out for demonstration purposes. Alrighty. Have a lovely day. We'll see you soon. Ended up taking the paint out and putting I have some zebra stripe tape, black and white, and putting this across these holes here because they still decided that they wanted to slide through there. So I needed to cover that. I didn't want to cut any more board. I didn't want to go find any more board, cut it and paint it. So I'm just putting this tape right here and they won't be able to fall through. I'll finish it right quick and bring it back to show you the final results. Upcycle, recycle, revamp, repurpose. Functional. I like it. Thumbs up. Peace out. Thank you.